Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this amazing makeup look. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply this amazing new eyeshadow base by PLouise and Mitchell Cosmetics from the Acid Ragging. I love this eyeshadow base so much, so I'm gonna use all over the eyelid with the concealer brush that comes in the set, in the PR packaging. I love all the colors, they are amazing, and this eyeshadow base are stunning guys because it dries matte and feels so good in the eyelid. And for today's look I'm gonna use the Enchanted Palette by Sigma Beauty. This is also a big launch in this year. Oh my god, the palette is amazing. As you can see, it has amazing colors and also a very high quality in the pigment. I love this palette, is one of my favorites in this year as well. All the colors are very pigmented, the matte eyeshadows blend so well in the eyelid, and it's very easy to work to add the pigment where you want it to be and also to blend the edges. It's very easy to work with. And the other eyeshadows are very pigmented as well. The foiled eyeshadows are very glittery and amazing. It works best when you apply using your fingers. And the shimmery eyeshadows, they are so beautiful to apply in the inner corner of the eyes. And those two little girls are my new husky babies. They are 2 months old and they are so pretty. The little babe in the left side is Mary Jane and in the right side is Sophia Loren. So let's go back to the makeup tutorial, and to highlight the brow bone and make everything look matte, I'm gonna use the shade Quartz below the brows. And to apply, I'm gonna use a small blending brush, and next in my crease I'm gonna use another fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply the shade Innocent, this amazing pinkish eyeshadow. I really love this color for transition, so I'm gonna add in my crease and blending in circular motions. Next, I'm gonna use this medium brown eyeshadow, and this is called Roux. Using a small blending brush, I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in the outer corner, inner corner, and in my crease as well. And I'm gonna add in the product a little. Oh my god. I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time and blending in circular motions. Working this color till I have the effect that I want in my eyes. This is Mary Jane, by the way. She's barking because she wants to play with me while her little sister is sleeping. But I'm doing this video for you guys, so actually I cannot play with her. So I just add in the lower lash line the same brown eyeshadow called Roux, and now I'm gonna apply also the shade called Innocent, just to blend and hold everything together for this look. And the next step is to add again the same eyeshadow base that I used before, and also with the same concealer brush to create the cut crease shape in my halo eyes. The next step is to apply the same pink eyeshadow in the edges, as you can see here that I'm doing, and also I'm gonna apply a little bit of the first eyeshadow that I used in this video, and this is called Quartz. I'm gonna apply in the center of my eyelid just to highlight, creating this beautiful transition shade. And this is exactly the effect that I want for today's video. So the next step is to apply fake lashes, and also I add a little bit of glitter in the shape of the cut crease. I used a gold glitter, and this Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay. And to conclude this makeup look, I'm gonna mix 2 liquid lipsticks, and this is by some Marcel. I'm gonna list down below for you guys the name of this liquid lipstick because I'm sorry I forgot. These colors are so beautiful, and that's why I couldn't decide between them, so I decided to mix them together to get the effect that I want for this makeup look, and I really like the end result. I really hope that you like it much as I do. And this is how I conclude this makeup look. I really love this makeup look because it's soft but dramatic at the same time. Also, it's wearable, and of course you can change the colors as you like. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here on my channel. Follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work and also follow my little girls. They also have a Instagram. We will be so happy to have you closer and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!